What's up, guys? All right, here we go. We have a Baofeng UV9S, and we're going to do an unboxing. So let's go. All right, so first thing first, it comes in a regular brown box for emergencies. Okay, this came from the Amazon warehouse, sold by a Brie. And let's open it up. What do you say? Okay, so I can only do this one-handed. I went ahead and opened it up here. It's in just a regular box with this green box inside of it. So this is what we got. All right, so we got this green package, and this says Baofeng UV-S9 X3 5-watt 2-way radio, black, new, made in China. Okay, let's rip it open. All right, rip the package open a little bit here, and you see it already says Baofeng on it here. So take it out. What do we got? Just like any other packages you see on YouTube, it's professional quality. Okay, nice. All right, let's see what we got for 30 bucks. Okay, open the pack, and it comes looking like this. We got the owner's manual, which is blank page. Okay. Bad. Set that there. What do we got here? We got the USB cable, the charging, the Brie, and got the radio in plastic. Set that to the side. What else we have in here? We got the one antenna. Looks like probably for the 20. Another one for the 2 meters and 440. Get the little earbud thing like they all come with. Plastic belt clip. We do have the standard United States charger with the plug, and what we got here? Okay, 10 volts, not bad. The desktop charger, set all that there, and the lanyard. That's it in the box. Let's go ahead and unwrap all this. Okay, so I took the radio out of the package. What we have here: 2-way radio, 5-watt, 1-watt, 7.4, 136 to 174, 220 to 225, and 400 to 520. Apparently this will transmit on the GMRS and the MERS frequencies as well. But we gotta get the battery out, and we gotta figure out if it actually does. Okay, so the battery's out of the pack. And looking here, I've seen on some of the batteries on YouTube, it is a ridiculous amount of capacity. A lot of them are saying 9,000 milliamps. Well, this one here is 7.4 volts at 2,200 milliamps hour. It's a small little battery. Doesn't seems kind of cheap, but yeah, I'm actually surprised that this radio. It actually feels solid. You know, I really thought it was going to be a real cheap, flimsy plastic, but it turned out to be pretty much a solid to good radio. All right, let's put it all together. Put the antennas on, and we'll get everything hooked up, and we'll check it out. Okay, one of the things that I noticed, I put the battery on. It has a pretty nice, decent weight to it. Feels good in my hand. All the pictures online make the radio look like it's bigger than it really is, but I'm telling you, it really fits in the palm of your hand. It's a really nice compact radio. Now, as you've seen some of the videos on the bottom here, I don't know if you could see that or not, but it does say 220 to 225 megs, whereas this antenna here says 136 to 174 and 400 to 520. I do have another dual band antenna that I'll be using later on, but you know, for the time being, we'll put these on and see how it goes. I'm also going to put the belt clip on, and we'll see how this radio operates. Okay, I'm about to put the belt clip on. One of the things that I noticed here is that if you look at the belt clip, look up close, in order to actually get it on, you have to hold it with one hand while putting the screws in and screwing it in. I guess unless you take the battery off, you might be able to do it that way, but let's see. Okay, so once you get the one side in, it flattens it out, and it doesn't make it that hard to put it together, but you kind of need 3 hands for this. Okay, so we got the belt clip on. That wasn't too bad. Not bad. All right, let's power this up. So yeah, how do you turn this on? I gotta figure that one out first, right? Yeah. Okay, I just had a dumb moment. Obviously, you turn it on. Mode. And it's already on 465 and 452. But
channel mode
does speak to you. Go through the
frequency mode.
Frequency mode, and let's see. It does transmit on 155.500. So yeah, it will transmit out of band. Comes factory. You can use it for GMRS, MURS, and amateur radio. Just note that, like everybody else says, it is illegal to transmit on this radio on GMRS, FRS, and the MURS radios without any type of license. Even though the MURS, you don't need a license for it. So, but I'll spare you all that, and it's a decent radio. I think I paid like $40 for it total. I got it in 2 days. Not too bad, guys. It's exactly what I ordered and exactly what I wanted. So, thanks for watching.